Look, when it comes to quality and performance, some pistols are better than others. This isn't a talk down on any manufacturer or pistols in particular. However, certain pistols are more reputable due to their unique qualities and undeniably great performance. If you're looking to get a pistol but have been unsure of which to purchase, or you just want to know which pistols shooters are all hyped about, we've put together a list of the best high-rated pistols in the game. We're building a community of gun lovers and do our best to provide honest reviews about firearms. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please join this channel by clicking the subscribe button. That way, you'll receive more of our videos and won't miss a beat. Alrighty then, let's check out our best rated pistols on the market. This is the king of the Walther PDP series. The pistols on the series are generally high performing, but the full-size model holds more respect for its versatility. A lightweight performance pistol, this handgun serves duty purposes as well as concealed carry. As the name implies, it's mainly a performance duty pistol. However, its dimensions and specifications make it fit for a variety of purposes. As many know, Walther is a manufacturer that's been in the game for a long time, and over the years, they've built a strong reputation for reliability and efficiency. Looking at the specifications, the Walther PDP full-size is a striker-fired semi-auto pistol chambered in 9mm and produced in 2021. It's one of the best full-size pistols around, which has earned it the respect it has today. It's polymer framed with steel slides and has a 4.5-inch barrel, a weight of 25.4 ounces, and an 18-round magazine capacity. The amazing thing is that it's not expensive, as it costs around $649 and is available on the manufacturer's site. The Beretta 92X Performance is a performance pistol that's built to handle performance tasks as needed. It's made of steel frame, and taking a good look at the ergonomics shows that not only is this pistol highly efficient, but also beautiful to behold like most Beretta pistols are. The Beretta 92 series is generally packed with impressive models, but the 92X Performance is highly rated because of its rugged standout design. It's durable and made to be able to withstand tough treatment. Chambered in 9mm, this pistol is weighty owing to its steel frame. With a weight of 48 ounces loaded and a capacity of 15 rounds, it's a handgun that provides maximum stability and a reduced muzzle flip that allows for a clean shot and steady control. The Beretta 92X Performance is popular among those who value detailed engineering and high performance. Hence, it's esteemed highly among shooters. You know how it's believed that quality doesn't come cheap? Well, this pistol exemplifies that. If you're looking to add this to your collection, it may interest you to know that it starts selling from anything above $1,300 and could even be sold for as high as $1,799. It's worth the investment though. Number 5 on our list is the CZ Shadow 2, a masterpiece from a reputable manufacturer known to add beauty to its engineering and make it a great mix. This pistol, the CZ Shadow 2, is a sweet blend of a great physical appearance and overall efficiency. It's a metal pistol with one of the best ergonomic designs you've ever laid eyes on. Equipped with a capacity of 17 rounds, the Shadow 2 weighs a whopping 46.5 ounces unloaded. It utilizes a double-action, single-action trigger system and has a grip texture that makes shooting easy and enjoyable. The CZ Shadow 2 comes in various colors and models. The standard optics-ready blue-black variant is also available in other colors, and then there's the orange model. This amazing pistol features ambidextrous manual safeties and a slim grip profile. The low-bore axis enhances flat shooting, and the overall trigger system is comfortable to pull. CZ lovers and other shooters who've had a taste of the CZ Shadow 2 Compact all have a lot of good things to say about it, and therefore it's highly rated and costs $1,099, available on the manufacturer's site. Southpaws find the HK VP9 very handy. It's one of those handguns that allow just anyone easy access and control. When Heckler & Co. came back into the striker-fired market after long years of absence, the VP9 was the first release, and it proved they had something cooking up while they were away. This pistol has a solid build and a design that allows smooth handling and unhindered quick control. The ambidextrous nature of this pistol allows both left-handed and right-handed shooters to enjoy the features it offers without a drop in performance. And it doesn't matter how big or small your hands are. With the different sizes of back straps that come along with the VP9, you're sure to find one that fits perfectly in your hand. With a weight of 32 ounces loaded, it's light enough to afford comfortable maneuvering. The 4.09-inch barrel and 15-round capacity are standard. The HK VP9 isn't just popular among HK lovers, but also among shooters who value quality. Fair enough, the VP9 is worth $719, and chances are that you can purchase it for an even lower price. So far, we've shown you 5 high-rated pistols already and have 3 more to go. We'd appreciate it if you gave us a thumbs up to show that you find this helpful. Also, consider hitting the subscribe button and be sure to look out for more super exciting content going forward. Let's move on. For its capacity to hold up to 20 rounds, the Canik TP9 SFX is a top choice for many who value high capacity oversize or dimensions. But that's not the only reason this pistol is highly rated. It's made of quality material and is durable. The fact that the TP9 SFX is an affordable competition pistol that doesn't compromise firepower is also a selling point for it. It has a pretty long barrel of 5.2 inches, and the grip is also long, or at least long enough for people with very large hands to hold comfortably. The grip texture is fantastic and feels great to the touch. Another ideal option for ambidextrous use, the Canik TP9 SFX is easy to use. However, it's worth noting that this pistol isn't all that concealable because of its long barrel and grip. When it comes to reliability and accuracy, the Canik TP9 SFX ranks high. The price tag for it is only $550, and the best part is that it lasts long. SIG Sauers don't disappoint. They're very likely to show up on just any category of handguns. The SIG Sauer P365 specifically is a line of 6 pistols that offers so much for a little token, and the XL model is one of the top high-rated pistols. A top feature of the XL is its long slide, which gives its ammo high velocity and great penetrating power. The stainless steel material is top-notch, and that gives the P365 XL the capacity to take on really tough situations. It's equipped with a 12-round magazine capacity. And has very good optics. Its grip texture is standard, and no matter where and when you shoot this P365 XL, one is assured that nothing will go wrong with the pistol due to its high-quality build and engineering. It's a bit fascinating that this pistol sells for $500, but then of course, SIG is known for putting out excellent pistols at affordable prices, which could also be a reason for its large fan base. The Glock 19 is by far the most popular pistol on our list. Generally, it's one of the oldest pistols and has been improved over the years, and that's how the Glock 19 Gen 5 came about. It's a lightweight, compact pistol that thrives on the Glock's reputation, yet it makes a name for itself by being one of the most reliable compact pistols available. This Glock 19 Gen 5 is rarely reported for malfunctions, and hardly will you ever experience magazine-related issues. It's semi-automatic and holds enough rounds to give its shooter an advantage whatever the situation may be. With its affordable price of $539 and readily available aftermarket parts, the Glock 19 Gen 5 is a big catch. Alright guys, those are the top 7 best high-rated pistols out there. If you've been in the world of guns for a long time, you'll recognize them and agree that they are indeed the GOAT. We invite you to share your thoughts with us in the comments down below, and before you move on to the next video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel, as well as be on the lookout for when we post new updates. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.